Yes, sir. Thank you so much for your care,
Oh my,
sir.
you're so happy. Right, all the best.
We're all happy when we are all together, right, sir?
Very nice, very nice.
Yes, sir. Prabhakar Reddy, sir.
Yes, sure,
Yes, sir.
thank you.
Yes, sir.
Very good morning to you all. I think I'm very eager to interact with you. This is the first meeting I'm attending with the support of Principal Sir and Dr. Seven. It's nice. So I want to interact with the young minds. So I would say some few things. So it's nothing but knowledge. ECEL means entrepreneurship cell, right? So objective is to make you ready for the industries. So they should ECEL means entrepreneurship. So new ideas, new things and all you have to bring out so that industry should accept it, right? And I am eagerly, I think, following your solutions and nice. But only thing I would add that, see, whenever we talk about any problem, you please relate to industry, how it is useful the real problem or industry. Flue gas, you solve one flue gas problem. What is flue gas? Question. Every time you have to question why, how, what. So knowledge, you can strengthen the knowledge, questioning why, what, how. So Shravan sir has asked you, so whether you checked manually, that's very important. We cannot believe simulations because simulations are misleading sometimes. So we have to randomly check and see that it is correct. So this knowledge sharing is you have to always question simulations, why, what, how. These three things are very important for strengthening our knowledge sharing. So I am very glad to interact in future also every time. So I am ready to interact with you and every time. So and again you say chemical engineering, not we say it is a kitchen, mother's kitchen in, right? We say, but it's only jovial. But we can relate to mother's kitchen or with the chemical engineering subjects. So when you come to third year and all, we can work with the MATLAB. MATLAB is a software again, very popular software. MATLAB, Simulink for process control, modeling, simulation and control. We can do that time, second year, third year onwards. It's very useful and friendly software I can add. So it's very, I'm convinced that see process control means you have to work with MATLAB. Right. With these few words, I thank you all, Professor, our respected Principal Sir and ex-Principal Sir, Professor Shyam Sundar Garu, and Madam Kavita Vagre Madam, and other colleagues and young engineers or budding engineers. I wish you all the best. So thank you all for this opportunity.
Thank you so much, sir.
Ma'am, there is one phenomena in chemical engineering, Professor Prabhakar Reddy Garu. They are started because see the two phases when they are in contact, the mass transfer will take place from high concentration to the low concentration. If the knowledge is the one of the component which has to be transferred, then the high concentration to the low concentration, the students always to have a contact with the phase which is having high concentration of the knowledge. Maybe resources and experts
resource
and
persons,
all.
Resource persons.
Resource persons. So they started having a contact. Definitely mass will get transfer, and also there is an enhancement of the component of the knowledge.
Shyam Sundar sir is there. Energy also there.
Energy also get transferred, another resource.
Yes.
So maybe Sam and Shravan and all yes people, those who are starting with S letter, they will have more energy. So the people are having contact with them. So definitely that will transfer. I think Kavita Vagre madam is ready to give some food. Yeah, please. Okay. Start, madam.
First of all, I am very happy to be part of ECEL, though I have been interacting. But my only request is, sir, you are motivating girls. Girls are getting motivated, but boys at the same time are not getting motivated.
I'm very happy. See, madam is always saying in the college, girls are to be motivated. Now she is telling reverse. Boys are to be motivated. No, she always says in the principal room, sir, girls are to be motivated. Then now she is telling very good. Okay. So that is the change occurred in the
number of
ESL.
boys and their participation is reducing. So now we have to motivate boys also. So at the
Yes,
same
yes.
time, we need your motivation towards boys also. So here
Yeah.
we find again more number of girls. So
I actually, we are working on that. Thank you very much for bringing that. We have actually, even the girls are saying, sir, how can we help to bring the boys into the picture? So yes, completely, the picture has changed. Previously, boys had to help the girls. Now the girls are helping the boys. And that's why I tell the girls, it's the age of the girls. It's okay. You can ask the boy, you can help the boys. There is nothing wrong about helping the boys. So we will definitely, that is one of the things we are working on. And we will reach out to you and we'll figure out a way to bring the boys also into the picture. Thank you very much for bringing that.
Thank you, sir. I have seen.
Ramesh Kumar is there? Professor Ramesh Kumar?
No, sir, I guess.
No.
I think Sri Durga madam is there.
Sri
Yes,
Durga.
Durga ma'am is there.
Thank you, sir, actually, for giving that information in the group. I was not aware. Asking to join, I just joined and got to know that even first years are giving presentations very well. It's all about they have so much enthusiasm, sir, and it's not just they got to this stage alone. It's all because all the support of the senior faculty members, the alumni and the students. So I really feel it's a great thing they have achieved.
Our responsibility has been increased a lot, You can
Yes,
say
sir. Yes, sir.
100 folds. It has to be increased because
Yes, sir.
you see the enthusiasm which students are having to cope up that and also to make them to learn. So our enthusiasm and our knowledge levels also to be increased. So you
Yes,
please
sir.
try for that. Okay. And guide the students in all the aspects.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Congratulations to the team, all the team members. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
And
Your
I
support
think
is
Dr.
also.
Pawan is there. Pawan is not there.
No, sir.
No.
I want to say one thing. I really want to thank the seniors, the second years, third years, and fourth years. They really gave time to these first year students and helped them with the concepts, everything. And that is how you build, that is really, really important within a college. And I'm really glad that all the seniors have proactively helped the first years. So well done, seniors.
Thank you, sir. Any students want to add? Yes, Tarun. Nikhil Anna? Yes.
Boys, some boys.
Yes, Nikhil Anna is coming.
Yeah, Nikhil is there.
Yes. Thank you, team, for wonderful presentation what we have given. And to add to the points you mentioned, it is really important to start learning how to use it as it is like when I was in my school age, I used to learn how to we learn how to use Word, right? Now it will be easy for us to do reports for our projects or something. This is very similar. I see this is very as similar as it is. Like when you learn the simulation softwares at the first year, it will be easy for you when the concepts come in, and you solve with really with different energy what you might have never seen in you. And once you come up with that energy and you solve the problems within minutes, the amount of knowledge you gain is amazing. And I have seen that when we started, like Surya spent a lot of time in learning Pro 2. He actually spent many afternoons, many lunch breaks and all to understand the Pro 2. And now it is very easier for us to understand Pro 2. And then we moved on to SimCenter. And firstly, when we started understanding the interface of the Pro 2, it made us really help solve the problems much better when we understand the interface. And the word what I mentioned, the MS Word what we learn in the 10th grade or some grade, now it helps to reports. And this will definitely help. And I really feel that learn as we go concepts will really help us learn things faster at a different rate and a faster rate. And the energy, the joy which you have been experiencing. I always heard from Ramesh Kumar sir that when you solve some problems in simulation and in MATLAB, you will experience some joy. And luckily we have been experiencing through Pro 2, and it is really amazing to see first years experiencing it in the first year, from the first year. And I definitely think they'll be able to publish really good contented technical papers by third year or fourth year, and it will definitely help them acquire really, really very important and sound knowledge, sound chemical engineering concepts. Thank you, team. Wonderful presentation, I guess.
Thank you, Nikhilana. Actually, I can say this, like the amount of confidence that you have, the amount of enthusiasm that you have to solve the problems, the amount of energy that you have to learn the things is just amazing. It's just inspiring all of us. Like, even though we are seniors, it's not like, age really never matters when you have that kind of energy. We really inspire from you all, you know. Thank you so much for inspiring us every day. Like right the day when you have joined us, I can proudly say that they are my juniors and they are inspiring me. Chandan, you have raised your hand. Yes.
Yes, Saka, thank you for giving this opportunity. First of all, I really amazed presentations that given by Apurva, Vivikta, and Deepthi. Just being with the flow, how they are giving, and also they made me realizing that I also need to learn how they are enjoying. I also want to experience the same kind of experience, how they learn. This made me, and thank you for that, Vivikta, Deepthi, and Apurva. Just a comment. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Chandan.
Compliment, not comment.
Oh, yes, definitely compliment.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Chandan. Anyone else to add? Or shall
Yes,
we
sir.
proceed?
I want that.
Yes, Shiva.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Shivanita.
Yeah. So the amount of work you have put in is what made you to talk here this confidently. So congratulations, my dear juniors. And you are very comfortable with the advanced thing. See how you are evolving.
That's the magic they are saying, you know. We are comfortable with SimCentral than Pro 2.
Yes. Wow. Well done, team.
Thank you, Shivani. Rohit.
Yes, Akka. So first of all, thank you for the presentation, Purva, Deepthi, and Vivikta. It is wonderful. So amazing learning experience. So even I realize sometimes when we read theory, we should do practical for a practical application to know the industrial application and all. So when we start in simulation, we are experiencing it through the screen. So through the input stream, we are giving in the process and the output what we are getting. So definitely when you do the experiments in the lab in our college or any lab, so you'll experience different kind of this thing learning. So in a double pipe heat exchanger, you give input. So in Pro 2 I have given this and we have got that. You'll be definitely remembering that, and that will long last forever. So it's a learning experiment, and it's the first step you have said, and it will continue, and you will be inspiring so many like us, and we'll also join the journey, and we'll also learn together, and together we can make a difference. Thank you for everyone for supporting to this process.
Thank you, Rohit. Your encouragement and your energy also adds so much energy to all of us as well. Your speaking skills, the way you love the chemical engineering is just amazing. Suryanna?
Surya.
Thank you, Lidya. Thank you, Apurva, Deepti, and Vivikta for such a wonderful, informative, and inspiring presentation. Not only you have been learning all the technical skills, but also you have been developing value-based friendships through this activity, which is very wonderful to see. You have been utilizing your time in a very fruitful manner, and this is very inspiring. Thank you.
Thank you, Anna. Your support is incredible. Thank you so much, everyone, for your presence here. Actually, around 40 people. Like right from the starting, we're all 40 now. Even though some are adding, some are leaving, but still we are a team of 40 now. That's a very good number, and that is adding so much energy. And thank you, Shravan sir, for giving us opportunities from the day one to all of us. Like giving opportunities to first years is something like వినయన్న వాళ్ళు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేశారు, మేము ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేసాం, మా జూనియర్స్ ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్ చేశారు, అపూర్వ వాళ్ళు ఎక్స్పీరియన్స్. ఇట్స్ లైక్ గివింగ్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ టు ద ఫస్ట్ ఇయర్స్ అండ్ లెటింగ్ దెమ్ టు గ్రో ఈస్ సంథింగ్ we all just love. And adding on to Pawan sir support is really very add-on thing, I can say. And Shyam Sundar sir, Basaraj sir, Prabhakar Reddy sir, Kavita Vagre ma'am, and all the faculty. Durga ma'am, actually, I want to like, she's been very supportive, and all the staff. Thank you so much for being here and encouraging us. Actually, I was smiling, like I was having a bright, like a wide smile from the starting because of all your presence here. We're all very happy for your encouragement. And all the juniors, all my seniors, and you're all just making our lives happy. Just stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for being here. Thank you so much.
Okay. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Shravan sir.
Actually, one more thing I want to say, sir, ఈరోజు blue day అన్నమాట. We all thought to wear blue, and fortunately or unfortunately, luckily or unluckily, you're like, I can say it's fortunate and we are lucky that you're also wearing blue color, one way or the other shade.
Sky is blue.
Okay.
Bye guys. Bye,
bye sir. Thank you so much.
Bye Shravan garu. Bye Shravan garu.
Thank you sir. I love you.
Madam, and everybody bye.
Yes sir. Thank you sir. Bye.